Do you know modes of communication? Many time interview asking this type of question in interview. And now I am traveling from Bangalore to Surat, and I have some time. So in my free time, I try to share my knowledge with people, right? So now I am going to share modes of communication, right? So if you are a student of networking, this video is only for you. So always keep in mind, there are three modes of communication. First one is simplex, second one is half duplex, and third one is full duplex. This simplex means, simplex is one way of communication. We can say one way means a sender device can only send the data and receiver device can only receive the data, right? Just like you can say keyboard, just like your television, right? Through television you can only watch, right, something. You cannot send something through your television. That means your television is an receiver device that can only receive the traffic. So simplex is one way of communication. That means a sender device can only send the traffic and a receiver device can only receive the traffic. If I will talk about half duplex, so half duplex is two-way communication but not at the same instant of time. That means a sender device can send the traffic as well as receive the traffic. In the same way, receiver device can also receive the traffic as well as send the traffic, but not at the same instant of time. A device can either send the traffic or either receive the traffic at a time, right? So at the same time, a device cannot do both, cannot send and receive the traffic, right? So half duplex means, half duplex is two-way communication but not at the same instant of time. Let me talk about last one, that is full duplex. This full duplex is an two-way communication at the same time. That means a device can send the traffic as well as receive the traffic at the same instant of time, right? So at the same time a device can send or receive traffic, that is known as full duplex. So if I will talk about the example of hub duplex, so you can consider hub, because if suppose two computers are connected through hub, right, and both a machine will try to send as well as receive the traffic, right, then there is chance of collision. So that's why every port of hub works on half duplex. That means on a single port, either device can send or receive the traffic only. If I will talk about the example of full duplex, so you can consider switch and router. So as you know, ports of switch and ports of router can transmit as well as receive traffic at the same time. That means router can send as well as receive traffic at the same time on a port. In the same way, switch can also send and receive the traffic on a port at the same time. So that's why we say that switch works on full duplex and router works on full duplex. Okay, so if you got something from this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you. Thanks for watching.